Hi students, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we discuss subject Engineering Mathematics 3 and topic is Z transform. This is first lecture on the topic Z transform. My name is Amol Jadhav, working as assistant professor in Department of Mathematics, Vidya Pratishthan Kamal Nayan Bajaj Institute of Engineering and Technology, Baramati. Content of Z transform. Introduction, definition, Z transform of standard sequences, standard properties of Z transform, inverse Z transform, solution of difference equation. In introduction, in mathematics and signal processing, the Z transform converts a time domain signal, which is a sequence of real or complex numbers, into a complex frequency domain representation. It can be considered as a discrete time equivalent of the Laplace transform. This similarity is explored in the theory of timescale calculus. The J transform is useful in solving difference equations which represent a discrete system. Sequence. Definition of sequence. What is a sequence? An ordered set of real or complex numbers is called as sequence. Sequence is an ordered set of real or complex numbers is called as a sequence. It is denoted by in curly bracket f of k or in curly bracket fk. K is suffix where k is integer. K is integer values. A sequence f of k is represented in two ways. First is arrow representation. In this system, we use arrow to denote the value corresponding to the position k equal to 0. In arrow representation, we use vertical arrow to denote the value of corresponding to the position of k equal to 0. See, sequence f of k is 1, 2, minus 1, minus 3, 6, minus 5. Arrow in minus 1 position. So minus 1 is a value of sequence. Minus 1 is a value of sequence at position k equal to 0. That is f of 0 is k. Sorry, f of 0 is minus 1. Minus 1 is the value of sequence at k equal to 0. That is f of 0 is minus 1. Where vertical arrow gives f of 0 equal to minus 1. And right side values minus 3, 6 and minus 5. Minus 3 value is f of 1, 6 is f of 2, minus 5 is f of 3 and left side values 2 is f of minus 1, 1 is f of minus 2. Right side values at k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k equal to 3 and left side values are at k equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Arrow represent value of sequence at k equal to 0. This is arrow representation. And second is general representation. In this system, the general term of the sequence is given by using this. We can find the remaining required terms. Example, f of k is 2 raised to k. Example, f of k is 2 raised to k, comma, for all k belongs to z. K is an integer. So f of k is, put k equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity and here right side plus infinity. So this is the second representation, general representation. 2 raised to minus 2, 2 raised to minus 1, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. K values integers, that is minus infinity to plus infinity. Casual sequence. Next is casual sequence. A sequence in which f of k equal to 0 for k less than 0. K is negative. A sequence in which f of k equal to 0 for k less than 0. That is, if k is less than 0, that is k is negative, then sequence is called as casual sequence. Important results. See, addition of sequence. a plus ar square plus ar cube plus a r raised to n plus equal to a upon 1 minus r. A upon 1 minus r if r less than 1, mod of r less than 1, where a is the first term of series and r is a common ratio, second term divided by first term. Next result, put in first formula a is 1 and r is x. R is x. So 1 upon 1 plus x, result is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus dot dot dot, or 1 upon 1 minus x, x replaced by minus x, then result is 1 plus x square plus x cube dot 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 if mod x is less than 1. Or in summation format, summation k equal to 0 to infinity x raised to k equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot if mod x less than 1. If summation x equal or k equal to 0 to infinity x raised to k is 1 upon 1 minus x. Suppose x upon 1 minus x, then result is x plus x square plus x cube plus dot 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 if mod x less than 1. And in summation format, k start from 1 to infinity, then result x plus x square plus x cube dot dot dot. X square divided by 1 minus x, result is x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4 plus dot 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 if mod x less than 1. Or in summation format, summation over k equal to 2 to infinity x raised to k is x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4 plus dot 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 if mod x less than 1. Or in summation format, k from 2 to infinity x raised to k is x square divided by 1 minus x if mod x less than 1. Or another result, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus dot 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 equal to 1 upon 1 minus x bracket square if mod x less than 1. If z equal to x plus iy, that is complex number, then mod z is a magnitude, and that is mod z equal to square root of x square plus y square, and argument is arg of z equal to theta is a notation of argument. And how to find? And find by using the formula tan inverse of y upon x. Y is the imaginary part and x is the real part. Mod z equal to a represent the points on the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. A is a radius. Mod z greater than a represent points outside the circle x square plus y square equal to a square, and mod z less than a represent the points inside the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. Unit step function of sequence. Unit step function of sequence. Notation u of k equal to, in curly bracket, two functions, 0 if k less than 0 and 1 if k greater than equal to 0, and u of minus k is 0 and 1 same. If k greater than 0 then function is 0, and if k less than equal to 0 then 1. Difference is if k is positive, here u of plus k and u of minus k. Unit impulse function of sequence. Unit impulse function of sequence. Notation is delta k equal to 1 if k equal to 0 and 0 if k not equal to 0. Definition of Z transform. The Z transform of a sequence f of k for all k is defined as summation k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity f of k into z raised to minus k. Sum of product Product of f of k into z raised to minus k, or division of f of k divided by z raised to k, and notation is capital F of z, or z transform of sequence small f of k. This is the definition of z transform. Second definition is for casual sequence f of k where k greater than equal to 0, k greater than equal to 0, 0 and positive. Suppose k values are positive with 0, then z transform is defined as summation k 0 to infinity f of k into z raised to minus k, or k equal to 0 to infinity f of k divided by z raised to k. Definition 3 for casual sequence f of k where k less than 0, that is if k is negative, then z transform is summation k equal to minus infinity to minus 1 f of k into z raised to minus k, or f of k divided by z raised to k in f of z. Multiplication of functions same, f of k into z raised to minus k, only intervals are different. For all k means k value is minus infinity to plus infinity. If k greater than equal to 0, then k values are 0 and positive, and if k less than 0, then values of k are negative. Region of convergence. The z transform of a sequence f of k exists if the series summation k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity f of k z raised to minus k is convergent. That is, the series tends to finite value for some value of z. These values of z for which the series is convergent lie within a region known as region of convergence in z plane. The z transform of a sequence is not unique. In z transform, region of sequence and region of absolute convergence are same. See first example. Find z transform of f of k equal to a raised to k. Z transform of f of k equal to a raised to k, where k greater than equal to 0. K greater than equal to 0, that is k 0 and positive. So use second definition, summation k equal to 0 to infinity f of k z raised to minus k equal to f of z. Solution. Consider the definition of z transform. Z transform f of k is summation 0 to infinity. Why 0 to infinity? K values, because k greater, given that k greater than equal to 0. So k is 0 to infinity f of k into z raised to minus k, that is f of z. Put f of k. So z transform of a raised to k is summation k equal to 0 to infinity a raised to k z raised to minus k. Here both powers are k and minus k. So this z raised to minus k is 1 upon z raised to k. Write down this z raised to minus k is 1 upon z raised to k. Again combine a raised to k divided by z raised to k. Again write down a by z raised to k. Z transform of a raised to k is a summation 0 to infinity a by z raised to k. And use result. Suppose a by z raised to k, put k values. K values are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So a by z raised to 0, a by z raised to 1, a by z raised to 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Consider a by z raised to 0 is 1. Use result. 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot 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 is 1 upon 1 minus x if mod x less than 1. Here consider a by z is x. Consider x is a by z. So put x equal to a by z. So result is 1 plus a by z square plus a by z cube plus dot 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 equal to 1 upon 1 minus a by z if a by z less than 1, because condition is mod x less than 1. So mod a by z less than 1. So z transform is 1 upon 1 minus a by z, and region of convergence is mod a upon z less than 1. This is the z transform, 1 upon 1 minus a by z. Z is in denominator, so multiply numerator denominator by z. Then z transform is z upon z minus a, and region is shift this divide z right side, so mod a less than mod z. So this is final z transform of a raised to k when k greater than equal to 0 with region of convergence is mod z greater than a, mod z greater than a. Second example, find z transform of f of k a raised to k less than 0. K less than 0. In first example, k greater than equal to 0 given that, here k less than 0. Solution, given that k less than 0, that is values of k are negative from k equal to minus infinity to minus 1. Always take negative values up to minus 1, minus infinity to minus 1. Consider third definition, z transform of f of k summation k equal to minus infinity to minus 1, f of k into z raised to minus k. Put f of k, that is a raised to k, here k equal to minus infinity to minus 1, means minus k equal to infinity and minus k equal to 1. Put minus k equal to r, so r is 1 to infinity. Put minus k or replace minus k is r. Replace this minus k is r. So r equal to infinity, r equal to 1, that is r equal to 1 to infinity. So this summation minus k equal to infinity to minus k equal to 1, a raised to k z raised to minus k is in terms of r equal to infinity to 1, a raised to minus r, because k is minus r, so this minus k is plus r. So z transform of a raised to k is only change or only replace k is minus r in right side only, left side keep as it is. So right side is summation r equal to infinity to 1, a raised to minus r, z raised to r. Or write down limits r equal to 1 to infinity, z raised to r divided by a raised to r, that is z upon a raised to r. Put r equal to 1, r equal to 2, r equal to 3, then z upon a raised to 1, z upon a square, z upon a cube. Use result x plus x square plus x cube plus dot 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 equal to x upon 1 minus x, and here x replaced by z upon a. So result for z upon a plus z upon a square plus z upon a cube plus dot 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 z upon a divided by 1 minus z upon a. Simple, put x is z upon a. So z transform of a raised to k is z upon a divided by 1 minus z upon a, but a is in denominator, so here multiply numerator and denominator by a. So z divided by a minus z is a z transform, and here condition mod x less than 1, x is z upon a, so mod z upon a less than 1, that is mod z less than a. Shift this divide a right side, so mod z less than mod a, and z transform of a raised to k is z upon a minus z. So this is z transform of a raised to k if k less than 0.